5th in Central Academy School, Jhosi Prayagraj branch. Today is a memorable day for our school as on this date 17 years back in 2004 our school was founded, and that's why 4th September is commemorated as Foundation Day of our school every year. It's a pleasure for me that I began my schooling here and I'm still a part of it. I'm glad to pursue my school studies from here because here we get a lot of support from our teachers and other staff too, which constantly motivates us to perform better and better and inspires to improve. Here we not only get to excel in academics but also have regular extracurricular activities being organized that plays a keen role in our personality development and boosts our confidence too. We are given opportunities to perform in sports through which our physical fitness and health are focused and improved. And beside all, we are also given moral teachings leading to be a good human in life. Especially talking about academics, here we are taught things more in a practical way which makes it easier for us to catch the logic. Talking about the scenario of pandemic from the last year, it seemed impossible in the beginning to shift to online classes and understand things clearly. But I am glad to tell that with the time and with the hard efforts of our teachers, we got adapted to it so comfortably and studied everything in a clear way. And I want to thank everyone, my teachers and staff for giving the best through online mode. At the end, I want to thank and congratulate to everyone, our directors sir, principals sir, teachers and staff and all my schoolmates on this special day. Thank you everyone for cooperating every time, and I am lucky to be a student here. Thank you. Have a cheerful
Kurutvam kalyanam arogyam dhana sampada shubham kurutvam kalyanam आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धि विनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोस्तुते दीपज्योतिर्नमो
Namaskar, we Centenians
welcome you all
on the 18th year of successful journey of imparting education of the Prayagraj branch. I am Aditya Vikram Singh.
I am Trisha Tiwari.
It is an immense pleasure to be Centenians of the Prayagraj branch. I would like to quote highlighting the contribution in the field of education serving society. Education is our passport to future, but tomorrow belongs to those who prepare for it today.
It was 4th of September 2004 when the Prayagraj branch had been established by the founder, the chairman of the school, Reverend Sri Sangha Mishra. This Prayagraj branch in its flourishing time had a small team of teachers and a small family of tots. But now this mansion can be met and the single branch has two little branches. The first one, the Parents Pride branch for the primary students, and the second, Senior Secondary branch for junior and senior students who are approximately 4,000 in numbers and a huge team of excellent and dedicated teachers.
Central Academy Prayagraj branch is one of the best schools running in the Transganga area. The school has 3 streams: Commerce, Mathematics and Biology. The school also has a fascinating thing, that is its Rajasthani style of architecture, and this is the peculiarity of the school building. The school has a well-equipped laboratory in which future scientists like APJ Abdul Kalam, Vikram Sarabhai and Homi Jahangir Bhabha are experimenting.
Our school has a So Helping and a big library which is rich with lots of books that gives us knowledge and information. It has several books which are associated with various subjects, and it creates the Mahakumbh of knowledge and information. Our school also has excellent and accelerating science and technology in the computer labs.
To make the students smarter, the school provides smart classes. These smart classes are very helpful for the teachers to explain the topics, as well as these smart classes update the students according to the need of present hour.
At last, I would like to quote, one who opens the door of school always shuts the door of ignorance.
The true jewels are not faded. Each year, we have a long list of meritorious students. Till now, 14 batches of class 10th and 12 batches of class 12 have been passed out. Our results are ornamented with district and zone toppers. Our congratulations and well wishes for the students for their successful career.
To honor the meritorious of our school provides Motivation Award. It is an award which is provided to the students who excels in academics, sports, art and culture, and in many other curriculum activities. Like as in sky, the stars are recognized because they twinkle. In our school, our rise and shines are recognized via this award. It starts from grade first by providing them a maroon colored bell, then a tie, then a third star badge, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and many more star badges until the centenarian passes its high secondary.
The Central Academy institution supervenes the values, excellence, friendship and respect which constitute the foundation on which the institution builds its activities to promote sport with a view of architecting a better world, same as that of Olympic Games. The sports events organized here are facsimile of the Olympic events. Thus, the school holds a mini Olympic named Centenary.
Excellently, this school has progressed a lot in the last few years in the field of sports by providing every means of resources to us. In our school, from athletics to table tennis, basketball, football and cricket, students have lots of sporting choices. Not only this, our school gives us many opportunities to participate in different sports competitions. If I talk about achievements, so our school has won bronze medal in 2 consecutive centenarian years, 17 and 18, under which volleyball and badminton won silver and basketball and table tennis won gold medal respectively. Even I also won gold medal, and I personally felt that this all is because of the dedication of our centenarians as well as the hard work that our teachers pay off.
Everyone, today I am very exhilarated as we are all celebrating 18th Foundation Day of our school. It has been a very long and exciting journey. Since then, our school has progressed a lot, not only in the field of academics but additionally did great in the field of arts and craft too. Our school teaches us craft, in which life useful things are made from paper or from waste materials. And in SUPW, we learn to make paper bags to reduce the use of plastic as a part of our school mission to teach students the value of recycling things and climate change. In painting, we learn to decorate houses with Madhubani painting and Worli painting to know our rich culture. To teach students the value of our festivals, our school also do work related to arts and craft, like Vandanvan on Diwali, making Rakhis on Raksha Bandhan and decorating Christmas tree on Christmas. Our school also conduct different activities in which we learn to make tie and dye wall hangings, dyeing t-shirt and cups and flower painting. We have also won many competitions. Like in 2017, we got first position in United College in which Tatsat and Dimple participated for wall painting. And in the Children's Week organized by the Allahabad Museum, which was held in 2018, first and third position were secured in many categories, in which Pakhi and Siddharth got the first position.
Each other, their magic captivates both the heart and the mind. Music improves the ability of high-level thinking. Music and dance increases the intelligence and develops the abstract learning responsible for the academic success of any student. As a concrete proof for this, our school singing group has secured first prize twice in a competition arranged in NCZCC and a prize money of ₹800 paycheck. They also won second prize in a music competition organized by Mahavir Public School. Practicing dance and music improves the qualities of teamwork, self-discipline, confidence and creativity. Our school has a huge impact of dancing and singing on the academic success of any student. And our school also has professional dance and music teachers who help the students in dancing and singing. As a result for this, our school students has won the first prize in Dhenia dance competition at the state level competition. and they have also won first prize in the NCZCC dance competition.
It is a delightful coincidence that I am present at Prayagraj while our Central Academy Senior Secondary School at Jhansi is celebrating its 18th Foundation Day. The good times seem to be coming back again in form of regular working days for children and educators fraternity with buzzing school campuses. But still, some COVID protocol have to be followed, due to which we can't have any sort of gathering in school like assembly or live functions on stage. That is why, same as last year, we are again having an e-celebration of the Foundation Day of our school through a video depicting regular and special activities of the school. The Foundation Day video produced by Team CA Prayagraj has been made thoroughly, covering most of the aspects of the school, showing creative talents of the students and teachers as well. Team CA Prayagraj has a rich academic legacy of producing the best board results in the town of secondary and senior secondary classes. The qualitative and quantitative growth of the school has been tremendous in past 17 years. I am happily taking this opportunity to share a good news with all of you that soon we are going to open a second branch of Central Academy at Sarai Inayat on Varanasi Road. I congratulate the worthy and cooperative administrator of CA Prayagraj, Mr. Suresh Tiwari, sincere and devoted principal, Mr. Anand Kumar Pandey, hard-working teachers, loving students and their parents, and all the laborious general staff on the 18th Foundation Day of their school. Jai Hind.
Warm greetings of the day. Respected Chairman, Dr. Sangha Mishra Sir, Honorable Director, Central Academy Organization, Lakshya Mishra Ma'am, our administrators, staff and students. On this auspicious occasion of our 18th Foundation Day, it's a matter of great pride and immense pleasure to showcase our story of success, progress and continuous development. Central Academy Jhansi Prayagraj branch is serving in Transganga area and has proved itself as an asset to our society. Continuing the legacy, school is having a proven track record of academic excellence and achieving greater heights in the field of sports, social activities and various extra co-curricular activities essential for overall development and grooming the personality. Coincidentally, we are blessed to have our chairman Dr. Sangha Mishra Sir and Director Central Academy Organization Mishra Ma'am with us on this special day. Last but not the least, I would like to extend my sincere thanks to our management, staff, parents and students for their contribution and support in our glorious journey. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thus, the celebration of Foundation Day is ended
with lots of commitments for the excellence of centennials in the field of academics,
sports,
art and craft,
music and dance,
and other activities. We are very grateful that you were the part of this celebration.
Thank you so much for watching.
Namaskar.